Hello everyone, I'm trying to welcome you to today's class. I'm Uchechukwu Promise. Over the years, I've helped students move from confusion to clarity. Growing up into a family of teachers, I've learned that education is more of acquiring good grades, but shaping minds and building confidence. Being able to defend that your good grades anywhere you find yourself. That is the experience I want you to have in this tutorial. Thanks for being part of this amazing journey. In today, we'll be diving into an exciting world of mathematics. I will teach you the easiest and simplest way in solving mathematics. Let's solve along. We have 48 times 5. 48 times 5. We'll be solving this thing with a regard of any number multiplying with 5. Okay? What we do is that whenever you see any number multiplying with 5, what you do is that you divide that number by 2. Okay? If you divide it by 2, it will give us 24. 24, instead of timesing it by with 5, we times it with what? With what? 2, which is the double of this 2. The times 2 again, which is if you divide this one with 2, you will times this one with 2. If you times this one with 2, it will give us what? 10. So we times 24 times 10, which will give us 240. So which is 240. Okay? Let's solve this one. Whenever you are given a number to add together, a large number to add together, what we do is that to avoid confusion and miscalculations, because sometimes it will appear that this is the easiest way to solve it, to add it together. And most often, students make mistakes. They make mistakes in adding up this number. But the easiest way to do it is to pair them. Pair them together. If you pair them together, you add in pairs. 27 plus 43. If we add up together, it will give us what? 70. 73 plus 57. If we add them together, it will give us what? 130. If you also add 70 plus 130 together, it will give us 200. So if we add this number together, it will still give us 200. Okay, let's solve the next one, which is 49 plus 38. 49 plus 38. For us to solve this problem, we need to round up this number to be in a round number. By making this number to be in a round number, you can do it either way. You can do it with this number, or you can do it with this number. But let's go with this number. We go with this number. Adding it to be in a round number, we plus what? 1. If we plus 1 to this 9, it will give us what? 50. Which is 50 plus 38. 50 plus 38 will give us 88. So we have arrived in 88 now. What next? We need to subtract that number we added to make this number a round number, which is what? Minus 1. So 88 minus 1 will give us 87. So 49 plus 38 will still give us what? 87. Okay? Let's solve this number. This problem is applicable with number multiplying with 9. Okay? We still do the same thing we did before. So what will happen is that this number we are given us 37 times 9. Okay? So what will happen is that we make this number to be what? A round number as we did before. Making this number plus it 1, it will give us what? 10. We will now go with 37 times 10, which will give us 370. Just carry this 0, put at the back of this 7 to give us 270. Okay, then minus the number you are multiplying with 9, which is what? 37, will give us 333. So 37 times 9 will still give us 333. Okay, let's solve this number. This is applicable with number multiplying with 25. What you need to do is that the same process we did here, is what we will do here. Divide will give us 16 times to give us what? 100. Okay, so you say 16 times 100, it will give us 1600. That is 1600. Okay, let's solve the next one. This next one say 34 times 11. 34 times 11 will give us, so let's solve it with the easiest way. So first of all, you add this number together. We have 3 plus 4. If you add them together, it will give us 7. You carry 7 and put it at the middle of 3 and 4. You give us 374. So that's 4 times 11 will give us 374. But note, whenever a digit you are adding together here surpasses 9, please carry the add the remainder toward the first digit number. After adding this number 3 plus 4, we have something like 10. Please, what we will now do is that we write 0 here. We write 0 here at the center of 3 and 4, which is 304. Then carry that one, which is supposed to be 10 here. We carry that one and add it to 3 to give us 404. I hope this have helped you to see the easiest way in solving mathematics. Please tell your friends about us, share, like, and comment.